Hello students, this is Ali from Ali Engineering Academy, where you will learn electrical engineering, electronic engineering, telecommunication engineering and power engineering. Student, for today our learning objectives will be binary number, which is come from digital electronics EE210. Let's get into a topic. Binary numbers. What are binary numbers? Binary means actually 2, which means 0 or 1, which is 2 states. Every digital system or digital device works on binary system, which has just 2 states, 0 and 1. 0 mean low or low voltage, and 1 mean high and or high voltage. In from electrical terms, we can get the idea from binary numbers is like that. 1 mean high and 0 mean low. Where this is a binary number. An example of binary number which is written in this form. We can differentiate this form as here. 2 we write in the subscript here down, and apart from that we will now see how we can convert binary number into decimal number, which is 10 number from 0 to 9. In binary there are just 2 numbers, 0 and 1, or from less than 2. So this number can be converted into decimal as shown here. That from here we would start from here 0 1 0 1 1. So this one will be here. This 0 will be multiplied by 2 with its position, and its position would be start from 0. I mean 0 1 2 3 4. So last one 1 will be multiplied by 2 to the power 4, which then further be summed, and we can get the decimal number from this. In the sum of from this is a power series, as we have seen before in class 8 and 10th. So another example of binary to decimal conversion is as follows. Here this is a number which can be converted to decimal as 110101. So the simple way of converting binary number into decimal number is as follows. That the 0 in the binary number can be neglected, but their position must be remain same, as here started from 1 and 2 to the power 0. So here it is 1 2 to the power 0, 2 to anything power to 0 is 1, and 0 can be neglected. The next one is 1, which means 1 and 2 to the power 2. Actually 1 is here, but the power 2 will be multiplied by 2 with this number. So 1 and 2 to the power 2 is 4. So here comes the 4. This one will be neglected. The third one 0 1 2 3 4. So 1 to 2 to the power 4 will be multiplied with this, which means 2 to the power 4 is 16, and the last one is 2 to the power 5 will be multiplied with this number. So 1 2 to the power 4 is 32. So the sum of these number will be its decimal equivalent of binary number. So convert this decimal number. This is we can this is not used, but it's just a way of for learning from any number to decimal conversion is too easy, that we can multiply this number with its radix at the power of its position. That the position start from 0 1 2 3 as we have seen before. So the 1 will be multiplied with 1 and 2 5 the power of 0 as here shown, and the 2 will be multiplied by 5 is the power of 1, and henceforth 0 can be neglected, but its power must be remain same. Its position so its position must be remain in the same area as this placed. So the 4 4 will be multiplied with the 5 this radix with the power of 1 2 3 with the power of 3. So 4 10 the 5 of 3. So the sum of this will be 5 1 1 dot 4 is its decimal equivalents. But one main thing must be remain in your mind, that this 2 from decimal mean it's in the right of point will be multiplied with the power of 5 and minus 1, where less than 0 is minus 1. The power come from for series is 0 1 2 3. As if we can, if you want to learn the easy way of conversion from any number into decimal number, the last example is shown here, that 127.4 is an octal number which we should convert from octal to decimal number. This is the question. So this one will be multiplied by 7 into 8 with the power of 0 as here shown, and the second one will be multiplied 2 into 8 with the power of 1 here as is shown, and the third one will be multiplied by 1 into 8 with the power of 2. So in the in the right of point will be multiplied by 4 with the 4 into 8 with the power of minus 1, where it start from minus 1 0 1 2 3. So the decimal the sum of the decimal equivalent of the octal number is here as the sum of their individual multiplication. So one thing must be remember while converting any binary number, that there is a tips for you to that we can get idea of bytes, kilos and gigabytes. That 2 to the power 10 is referred to as kilo, where 2 to the power 20 is referred as mega, and 2 to the power 40 is tera, and 2 to the power 30 is giga. So for today this was our lecture. So for any question, leave a comment below in the comment box. I will be there for you anytime. So subscribe our channel, that you can get the best lecture in your on your YouTube channel, and I will try as best as I can that I can help you. Thank you so much.